Hello to everyone. I am Professor Raja, working as Assistant Professor, EC Department, SNS College of Technology and Autonomous Institution, Coimbatore. In this YouTube video, we are going to discuss about the 19 ECUO 301 Consumer Electronics subject under Unit 3 Electronic Music Synthesizers for the topic Theatre Sound Reproduction System. So based on my previous YouTube video, you may have some knowledge about how an electric guitar is producing the signal, how this can be modified by using electronic modifiers, and how this can be recorded by using a digital computer, how the recorded sounds are placed on a soundtrack film. This YouTube video, the theater sound reproduction system, we may discuss about how in theater the sound is reproduced. So a soundtrack is played in a theater by means of sound head. The next figure shows two sound heads are employed so that little or no interruption of a program occurs when changing from one head to another. The audio outputs from the sound heads are fed into an amplifier and then to speakers that are customarily mounted behind the screen. In addition, speakers may be mounted on either side of the screen. So in cinema theater, if you see, front side one woofer is there, left and right side surround speakers are there. The amplifiers are essentially the same as those used in high fidelity systems, and their power output depends on the size of the theater. It is standard practice to utilize at least one woofer and one tweeter behind the screen. That is the back side of the screen. We are placing a woofer with the tweeter for a digitized computer output with the normalized screen value. This block diagram will show how the theater sound system is working. So if you see from left to right, the sound changeover switch is activated whenever a particular sound is coming through the film. That is the sound. The sound film is the medium where it consists both the audio signal and the video signals are there. So whenever the audio signal is coming, the particular sound head 1, sound head 2 will switch it on and make the sound change over to, that is a particular sound is converting from a digital form into an acoustical converter form. So these are converted by using a photocell polarizing voltage. So depend upon the amplitude that are recorded on the recording stage, that is either by a low frequency voice for a male voice or female voice, either a bass sounds for fighting scenes or some flute music for a song oriented, whatever the sound range that are recorded on the recording stage. Once the recordings are completed, which are applied on the magnetic strip or optical strip that are given in the theater sound reproduction system. So whenever the projector man will project the audio signal to the theater screen, the particular photocell will convert that sound waves into analog signals. These analog signals are given into a amplifier, where an amplifier will amplify this particular input voltage. The crossover is the medium where it given a particular frequency of sounds to the particular voice of frequency. For in cinema theaters, the two speakers are placed in behind of the screen and some 10 or 15 speakers are placed at the after the screen. So based on the sound quality, based on the depending on sounds, this can be either given to a woofer or given to a tweeters. So these woofers and tweeters are positioned at the proper place for a normal hearing of a theater sound system. So based on the customer view, based on the customer enjoyment, either there can be placed under the seat or top of the seat or back side of the seat or near the entrance gate side. The purpose of exciter lamp supply voltage is to provide a proper supply to the exciter lamp supply. So this exciter lamp supply is the projector output, where the projector will telecast the video signal and side by side the amplifier will telecast the audio signal. Both are synchronized, that is both are with the time synchronization on the area of recording process. So in the editing side, the editor is the man which will they add audio signal with video signal for proper soundtrack. So in cinema theater, for example, nowadays we are using Dolby Atmos sound. Normally a normal voice is going along with, if any extra surrounding sound is there on particular time of sound, the sound changeover switch will switch on this particular medium and they can produce the soundtrack medium. The purpose of crossover switch is used to given a particular frequency to a particular frequency. For example, the woofer is the low frequency telecasting medium where it can produce only the punch or fight scenes or any drums sounds, where the tweeter is the medium that it will telecast a high frequency of sound like a female voice, a male voice, and some flute voice is added. The transformer is used to operate the woofers and tweeters in the proper range of voltage. If the transformer is not there, if any extra sound is added, the woofer or tweeter may be damaged. So in order to avoid this damaged condition, a proper output transformer is decided to woofers and tweeters. So in theater sound system, these all sound systems are controlled in a room of projector room. The projector room is the only area where the audio signals and video signals are separated in two forms and they have telecasted in the normal form. So thank you for watching my video. In the next video, we are going to see how the theater sound is working.